Hey guys, what's going on? It's Pamela Joveski at Realest here in Crown Point. Wanted to reach out to you guys because I'm going to be doing a series of videos of local things to do that I actually do with my little one. We have a 4-year-old. So I wanted to highlight a few things because people always ask me like, oh, what do you do? Or how did you come up with that idea? So today I wanted to highlight the Indiana Dunes and a little bit of the Chesterton area. Because that is somewhere that we do visit. We actually went the other day. This is us coming right into the dunes. You'll see that picture. And what was pretty awesome in the summer times, they have these little shops with beachwear clothing, floaties, things like that. They have ice cream shop, food truck set up for you as well. So it's overall entertaining time. Bonus for me, our little one thinks we are on a tropical vacation, so I will take it. Here's another view of that kind of the same area coming in straight from that parking lot. This right here, that's my little guy and his cousin playing on the beach, playing construction. And you can kind of see us just chilling, them swimming in the water. So like I said, they have ice cream there. So after we got done with hanging out on the beach, we went and grabbed some ice cream that they had there. Another thing that we do when we're at the dunes is he loves going to the nature center. And there's a couple things within the nature center for kids that he enjoys to do. They do have a little play area. He obviously loves looking at these animals all the time, thinking that they're real. I mean, they are real, but it's not alive. And then they have this little bird watching room, which he loves to look at all the different squirrels and the birds. They have on the wall, like different ones to identify as well. And sometimes during the summer, they do have programs for kids, and I'll show you a slide of that too. This is just another angle of the nature center. One big tip that I do suggest, especially if you're looking to do lunch in the Chesterton area, I pop on into the nature center and you can grab this coupon book. And there's actually really good coupons that are in there for the local restaurants in the area. So go in there, it's in the bird watching section on the little podium, so go in and grab one. They have programs during the summertime and heading also into the winter time that they have. So I took a little picture. If you want me to send you that personally, let me know. I'll send it over to you. They have programs for kids, hikes, things like that. This is an idea this will give you. They actually are doing a Hero Half Marathon at the end of September that I thought was pretty cool for all you runners out there. One thing I am looking forward to doing, I've never done it. If you've done it, please message me and let me know what you thought. So on October 26th, they're having a Halloween at the dunes. So I kind of want to know what that's all about. I've never gone to that. I am going to be attending on October 19th. Any of you know me, you know I'm in love with like ghost stories and history behind old historic buildings. So kind of give you an idea, right where the entrance of the dunes is in the Chesterton area, the park. So we'll go and grab lunch after, and it's like a 7-minute drive. It's right past 8094, just the other direction. So it's not far to get to the downtown Chesterton area, and I'll kind of show you. Here's a few things. So you're coming right down here. I'll bring it up a little bit more. You're going to be coming down on Route 49. So Craft House is a local restaurant. It's great. It has, if you're a beer junkie, 17 beers on tap, and it has over 50 craft bottles available. So definitely check that out if you're kind of into all those different types of beers, IPAs, stuff like that. Now on Saturdays, you'll see this is the Chesterton European Market. It's on Saturdays from 8 to 2. It's May through October. They have a variety of everything: pastries, cheese, oils, clothing, accessories. So go out, join them, support the Duneland community. It's awesome overall. Night and plus, Saturday. If you've got nothing going on, go check it out, support them. Another restaurant that I absolutely love, and they actually have a location in Crown Point and Culver as well, Lucretia Cafe. My favorite is the whole roasted garlic as an appetizer, which my husband will disagree. And then the grilled shrimp is one of my other faves in the area. But just wanted to kind of touch base with you. Didn't want to make the video too long, just kind of talk to you guys a little bit more about, I'm going to show you some videos of things that I actually do in the area and enjoy to do, and I do things with my family. So hope this helped out for you guys, and also reach out to me, message me, tell me things that you do in the area that's local to you that maybe a lot of people don't know about. Thanks guys, look forward to hearing from you.